Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. The topic of our today's discussion is percentage. We know that percentage means out of 100 or in terms of 100. Mean to say any value out of 100 is called percentage. Per mean divided by cent mean 100. So totally this will be called out of 100. We are going to start exercise number 7b. Question number 3 is written as find the rate percent in each case. 7 out of 28. We will find we have 7 marks in 28. What will be percentage? To find this, there is a procedure like this. 7 out of 28 is equal to 7 over 28. We want to change in percentage. We know when we change fraction into percentage, we will multiply by 100. So it will be multiplied with 100. 7 by 28 multiply 100. First of all, we will cancel out the values. These two are divisible by 2. 2 1 the 2, 2 4 the 8. 2 5 the 10, 2 0 the 0, 2 7 the 14, 2 2 the 4, and 1 is remainder, 2 5 the 10. So there is 7 and there is also 7. 7 is cancelling out with 7. Remaining value is 25. It means 7 out of 28 is equal to 25%. In part 4, 44 kilogram out of 66 kilogram. 44 kilogram out of 66 kilogram is equal to 44 over 66. To change in fraction percentage, we will multiply this value with 100. We know that 44 and 66 are divisible by 11. 11 4 the 44, 11 6 the 66. This is again divisible by 2. 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6. Now it is not divisible by any number. 2 multiply 100 over 3. 2 multiply 100 is equal to 200 over 3. We can divide it. 200 divided by 3, 3 6 the 18, 2 0 is remainder, 3 6 the 18, there is 2 remainder. We can write it in form 66 whole 2 by 3. That is in percentage answer. What percent of 240 is 30? Question is given that if we take any value 30 and total value is 240, we will find what is percentage of 30 when total value is 240. It means 30 out of 240, that is equal to 30 divided by 240. So this is fraction. To change in percentage, we will multiply by 100. 30 over 240 multiply by 100. This 0 is cancelling out with this, and 24 and 3 are divisible by 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 8 the 24. This is again divided by 4. 4 2 the 8, 4 2 the 8, 2 is remainder, 4 5 the 20. There is 25 and there is 2. 25 by 2, that will be equal to 12.5%. We can divide it. 25 divided by 2, 2 1 the 2, and there is 5, 2 2 the 4, there is 1. We can write it in form 12 whole 1 by 2 or 12.5. In decimal, we can change in decimal. If we add their decimal point, there will be 0 and 2 5 the 10. So that the answer is 12.5% or 12 whole 1 by 2. That is the same value. Now question number 5 is written as what percent of 1 day is 18 minutes. And there is 1 day and there is 18 minutes. We will change in same unit. Mean to say we can change in both minutes or can change in days. So easy way is to change day into minutes. So first of all we will change day into minutes. As we know, 1 day is equal to 24 hours and 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 24 multiplied 60 will be answer in minutes. 24 multiplied 60. 0 for the 0, 6 for the 24, 2 will be carry, 6 to the 12 and 2 14. 1440 minutes. Now we will find percentage of 18 out of 1 day or 1440 minutes. That will be equal to 18 divided by 1440. To change in percentage, we will multiply this value by 100. This 0 will be divisible by this, and these two are divisible by 2. 2 7 the 14 and 2 2 the 4. 2 5 the 10. These are again dividing as 2 9 the 18, 2 3 the 6 and 2 6 the 12. 9 1 the 9 and 9 4 the 36. So the answer is 5 by 4. To change in decimal, we can divide it. 5 divided by 4. 4 1 the 4. There is 1. And we will add their point. There will be 0. 4 2 the 8. There is 2. By adding 0, 5 4 the 20. So 5 by 4 is equal to 1.25 in percentage. That was our today's topic. You should revise it, practice it. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.